Hi, Cole here from Team Marketing. Just wanted to make a quick video about keyword match types in Google Ads. I'll cover what they are and more importantly, how they have changed in the last 6 to 12 months. First of all, what is a keyword? A keyword is a term or phrase that you want to target using Google Ads. Now, why? That seems pretty straightforward, but the reason I wanted to define that is there are two things to keep in mind with Google. There's keywords and search terms. These are different things. A search term is the actual search that a keyword pulls in based on your target. These can be different than the phrase that you're targeting with your keyword. So you have to keep that in mind, and you've got to review your search terms consistently. My agency and I review search terms every day. That's one of our unique selling points is we're very manual, and I think it's the only way to run Google Ads now. What are the different match types that are available for Google Ads? First, you've got exact match. That is deemed by these brackets that you see around the keyword. This setting tells Google to target only search terms exactly matching or close variants of, that's something we'll get to later, the keyword that you have targeted. So ideally, 3PL warehouse logistics should only pull search terms that match 3PL warehouse logistics or are closely related to that term. Maybe it's 3PL warehouse says logistics or 3PL warehouse logistics. Phrase match. That's designated by the parentheses. What this setting, the way this setting works is it tells Google to target any search terms that include the phrase within the brackets. So 3PL warehouse USA as a keyword would pull in search terms that exactly match it, aka 3PL Warehouse USA as a search term, or include 3PL Warehouse USA as a phrase within the search term. The top 3PL Warehouse USA, best 3PL Warehouse USA. These terms would be included in the targeting for a phrase match keyword. Another thing to keep in mind, phrase match is less expensive on a cost per click basis than exact match. So that can be a reason to use phrase match targeting instead. The last setting is broad match. That is designated by just open text. We do not use broad match as a policy at Interteam. The reason is it's extremely broad in terms of targeting. Basically, the setting allows Google to target any keywords that are related to the keyword you're targeting. What we've found is the quality of search terms that broad match targeting will tend to be informational searches or searches probably would have converted organically anyways, like a branded keyword. So don't worry too much about broad match right now. I would just recommend not using it. So historically, that's how exact and phrase match have worked. Exact match targets only search terms exactly matching the keyword. Phrase match targets search terms that include the phrase of the keyword. Then, about 6 months to a year ago, Google released an update, exact and phrase match, to pull in close variants of the exact and phrase targeting. Basically, this allows Google to expand outside of your targeting if there is a strong correlation with the definition of the search term that is being pulled in and the keyword that is being targeted. That sounds pretty vague. What we're finding is the amount of leeway that Google has given itself in terms of targeting outside of the keywords that you are targeting is frankly shocking. The reason I made this video, I wanted to show you an example of this. So this is a logistics client of ours. They're targeting 3PL warehouse logistics as a keyword in exact match. Rather, we're targeting this keyword. I was shocked today to find the search terms 3PL and 3PLs being pulled in by this exact match keyword, 3PL warehouse logistics. That's super far from the definition of this word. 3PL can mean a lot of different things. Third-party logistics is what the acronym stands for, but it's typically associated with shipping and transportation. Warehouse as a modifying word in this exact match keyword is really important because it focuses the search on people looking for inventory storage services. Not to mention, it's totally different as a search term, 3PLs, from the keyword we're targeting. Our keyword has 3 words. Google has left out 2 of those 3 words and is only targeting the first word in the keyword with the search terms that are being pulled in. Just wanted to show you guys an example of how things are changing in Google, and I hope that this shows you the impact of these changes. We're going to have to address this change as being more diligent about search term review. For instance, I'm going to be adding these keywords that aren't similar to, rather, these search terms that aren't similar to the keyword as exact match negative keywords in this ad group and campaign. Anyways, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've encountered this issue before. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Cheers and have a great day.